Rest time between reps. Use science to build muscle fast. To scientifically design the most optimal muscle growth program, you need to know two things: how your body's energy systems work, and the muscle fiber structure of your muscles. The latter is important, because different muscle fibers use different energy systems. And it explains why you want to go heavy on some muscles, and lighter on others. In this video, we will explain the body's energy systems, focusing on the one most responsible for growth. And this knowledge provides a definite answer on the optimal rest time between sets of reps. Links to research papers and studies are in the description. In our next video, we will explain muscle fibers and link muscle fibers with energy systems to determine the most scientific training protocol for each major muscle. The human body relies on three energy systems, using a clever design. For day-to-day energy needs, the body uses oxygen to burn fat. This aerobic, or oxidative, energy system provides long-term energy and runs out only when body fat runs out. The aerobic system is great for walking, but not jogging. It is because when activity increases, and the heart rate exceeds 120 to 130 beats per minute, it can't provide enough energy. The aerobic system has high endurance but low power, and is not strong enough to stress or damage muscle fibers, to cause growth. We previously did a video on how to grow muscle by manipulating energy systems. Click the link in the top right corner. The body has a second energy system, the lactic acid energy system, also called the glycolytic system, which takes over when you can't breathe normally, around 120 to 130 beats per minute. It is anaerobic, and stronger than the aerobic system. The lactic acid system is used during jogging, and any physical activity that sustains a heart rate above 130 beats per minute. It uses glycogen as fuel, and breaks it down into lactate and lactic acid. The average human stores around 400 grams glycogen in skeletal muscles, which has an energy value of 1,500 calories. The lactic acid system is stronger than the aerobic system, but lasts shorter, about 1.3 to 1.6 minutes of maximal muscle activity. Once activity stops, excess lactic acid breaks down in 20 to 60 minutes. It has medium endurance and power, and is strong enough to stress or damage only a subset of muscle fibers. The body has a third energy system, the phosphagen energy system. It is also anaerobic, but provides explosive power. The phosphagen system uses a superfuel called ATP, adenosine triphosphate, which releases energy when broken down into ADP, adenosine diphosphate. It allows the muscle to exert 100% force, for up to 10 seconds. This is why, after 4 to 5 reps, especially after a few sets, we suddenly go weak. It is the effect of switching from the phosphagen to the lactic acid system. The phosphagen system is the most important energy system for muscle growth and hypertrophy. It exerts the most force, and it can stress and damage all types of muscle fibers, especially the 2A/B fiber, which have the most growth potential. All this will be covered in our next video: how many repetitions to build muscle, with scientific proof. Once the phosphagen system depletes, it recovers about 70% in 30 seconds, and 100% in 3 to 5 minutes. Now we have two critical pieces of information. First, to exert 100% power, for up to 10 seconds, there must be a significant level of resistance. Research shows that hypertrophy is maximized between 30 to 80% of one repetition max, depending on the type of muscle fiber. It means hypertrophy requires heavy weights, not too heavy, not like powerlifters training for strength. Second, it takes 3 to 5 minutes to recover fully. If you are training for muscle growth, the phosphagen system needs to recover fully. Otherwise, it can't exert 100% force and stimulate the faster twitch muscle fibers. It means the minimum rest period between sets, for maximum growth, is minimum 3 minutes. The minimal rest period between sets is 4 minutes for larger muscle groups, such as legs, back and chest. Shortening the rest period below 3 minutes compromises muscle growth. And the shorter the rest period is, the more growth is compromised. Before summarizing, if you have enjoyed this video, please support our channel by liking and subscribing. To summarize: 1. To scientifically optimize your training, you need to understand energy systems and how muscles use them. 2. We have 3 energy systems: aerobic, lactic acid, and phosphagen. 3. The phosphagen system is most important for hypertrophy and muscle growth. 4. It provides explosive energy to target all muscle fibers for up to 10 seconds. 5. It needs 3 to 5 minutes to recover, so the minimum resting period for muscle growth between sets is 3 minutes. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again in our next video.